Good morning, everyone. So this is Dr. Basaraj S. Narboli. So today I'm going to deal with the aromatic hydrocarbons for BSc second semester. Aromatic hydrocarbons. So let us have a look at the syllabus. So in aromatic hydrocarbons, you'll be studying preparation of benzene from phenol, from decarboxylation, from acetylene, and from benzene sulfonic acid. That is preparation of benzene from phenol by decarboxylation from acetylene and from benzene sulfonic acid. Thereafter, you'll be studying the reactions of benzene. The first reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction by using the examples nitration, halogenation, and sulfonation. And the second reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, you'll be studying alkylation and acylation. And the third reaction is side chain oxidation of alkyl benzenes. So before starting aromatic hydrocarbons, let us have a look over the benzene. So what do you mean by benzene? So benzene is a clear, colorless, highly flammable and volatile liquid aromatic hydrocarbon with a gasoline-like odor. Benzene is found in crude oils and as a byproduct of oil refining processes. In industry, benzene is used as a solvent, as a chemical intermediate, and is used in the synthesis of numerous chemicals. So exposure of this substance causes neurological symptoms and affects the bone marrow, causing aplastic anemia, excessive bleeding, and damage to the immune system. So benzene is a known human carcinogen and is linked to an increased risk of developing cancers. So benzene is a cyclic hydrocarbon with a chemical formula C6H6. That is, each carbon atom in benzene is arranged in a six-membered ring and is bonded to only one hydrogen atom. According to molecular orbital theory for benzene structure, benzene ring involves the formation of three delocalized pi orbitals spanning all six carbon atoms, that is covering all six carbon atoms, while the other valence bond theory describes two stable resonance structures for the ring. Benzene is one of the most fundamental compounds used in the manufacture of various plastic, resins, synthetic fibers, rubber, lubricants, dyes, detergents, drugs, and pesticides. Naturally, benzene is produced through volcanoes and forest fires. There are various laboratories and industrial techniques existing for the preparation of benzene. So commercially, benzene is chiefly obtained from coal tar. So in preparation of benzene, we are studying that the first reaction is preparation of benzene from phenol. So how benzene is prepared from phenol? So we all know that when we speak about a reaction, there should be some reactants, and by reactants, if we add some reagents, we will be getting product. So here our product is benzene, which will be on the right hand side, and the reactant is phenol. So how do you prepare benzene from phenol? Benzene can be prepared from phenol through their reduction. In this process, various phenols are passed over heated zinc dust. Zinc dust reduces to form benzene. So this is the first reaction where benzene is formed from phenol and giving a byproduct zinc oxide. So the second reaction is preparation of benzene by decarboxylation. So now what do you mean by decarboxylation? So decarboxylation is nothing but removal of carbon dioxide. So in this reaction, the starting material will be sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is nothing but it is an sodium salt of benzoic acid where COOH, H is replaced by an sodium atom. So decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. So this is the laboratory method to obtain benzene from sodium benzoate. In this process, sodium benzoate and soda lime. Soda lime is the mixture of sodium hydroxide with calcium oxide. That is, the sodium benzoate. Wait for a moment. Here, the sodium benzoate is reacted with soda lime. That is sodium hydroxide plus CaO. When it is heated, it causes decarboxylation. That is, it removes carbon dioxide to produce benzene, and byproduct, the byproduct from it, sodium carbonate. So this is the byproduct. This is a benzene which is formed upon decarboxylation, and this is our byproduct, sodium carbonate. So this is the second reaction. And the third one is preparation of benzene from acetylene. Acetylene is nothing but it is the first member of ethane family, right? So that is alkyne family. Ethane is nothing but acetylene. So preparation of benzene from alkynes. So benzene is prepared from ethane by the process of cyclic polymerization. In this process, ethane is passed through a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin. The ethane molecule then undergoes cyclic polymerization to form benzene. In this case, this is acetylene. The 3 moles of acetylene molecules are heated in red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin. Therefore, it undergoes cyclic polymerization to form, that is, the bond between one of the pi bond between carbon-carbon will break, and there will be formation of sigma bond between these carbon-carbon. So it have therefore, when 3 moles of acetylene are used, when it is heated in red hot iron tube in the presence of 800 heated at 873 Kelvin, it will give a product benzene. So here, so this is what we call cyclic polymerization. The last reaction, the fourth reaction, that is the synthesis of benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. So benzene can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid through hydrolysis. So in this process, benzene sulfonic acid is exposed to superheated steam, that is from 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, which leads to the formation of benzene. And the byproduct is H2SO4. So this is the reaction. So preparation of benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, when heated with steam, superheated steam, it undergoes hydrolysis to give benzene and sulfuric acid. So these are the 4 reactions which we'll be studying in aromatic hydrocarbons, that is synthesis of benzene. So in the next class, we will be dealing with the reactions of the benzene. So these are the 4 reactions we have come across today. That is preparation of benzene from phenol, but decarboxylation from acetylene, from benzene sulfonic acid. So in the next class, we will be studying the reaction of benzene, electrophilic substitution reaction. That is in that from in electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, and second reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, in that alkylation and acylation, and the third one is side chain oxidation of alkyl benzenes. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can either WhatsApp me or you can drop a comment so that I can answer. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask, drop a comment, and I will answer your comment. So if possible, we will arrange a Zoom meeting. If any of the students, if you have doubts, you can join that Zoom meeting and clarify your doubts. Thank you.